Yo, what is up, people? BVF Collection, back at it again. You already know the vibes with another unwrapping. Some slight, just a single package. We got ourselves a pre-order Don't Kill Your Friends Kids t-shirt in size XL, also black. Unfortunately, couldn't get this with my original orders, you know, it sold out. This was like the first thing I think it was actually the first thing to ever sell out on the, you know, the legacy drop, the ex-birthday drop, whatever you want to call it. And, yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, very smooth, very easy. And there it is. Whoa! You know, okay, that's interesting. So we got ourselves the Mickey tee, but as you guys can tell, it's in just a regular revenge bag. I guess they might have ran out of, you know, the what do you call it bags? The X-Drop bags. And checking on the inside, there's no, yeah, we ain't got a receipt either. No receipt. So there's that. This is unsealed a little bit. Kind of a small t-shirt for this big old bag, but yeah, here we go, XL. As you guys know, this is part of the video where I am gonna go ahead and just take some dead stock pictures, and then we'll be right back. And just like that, we're back. Yeah, still kind of upset though that this isn't in the, you know, the legacy drop bags, but hey, what can you do? What can you do? That's what I get for you know, getting the pre-order version. So I got one more package on the way, so it's gonna be the next unwrapping after this. It's gonna be the bread kill hoodie, and I'm sure it's gonna come in the same bag. If not though, I'll be kind of surprised. But we shall see, you know, when that gets here. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Boom. Ow. Okay, off rip. I'm seeing a lot of weird things go. Oh no, it's just the Don't Kill Your Friends Kids from the puff print. So just check in. Boom, we got ourselves the extra large Mickey. This is gonna be Puff. Let's go ahead and move the bag out of the way. And let's open this bad boy. Ooh, this thing is sick. Okay. Dang, you can really see the Don't Kill Your Friends Kids through the front. That's kind of crazy. Let's go ahead and check out that puff. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, got a piece of my hair on there already. But yeah, we got ourselves the Mickey front right here. Again, the tag. Let's go ahead and check out the other tag, and then we'll flip it on over to the hand, or to the hand, of course. Of course, to the hand. We got ourselves the LA. No size tag in between here. All right, pretty much, that's about it, pretty much. All right, let's go ahead and check out the back, and then this video will be concluded. Oh, y'all didn't hear that. Y'all didn't hear that. But anyways, we got ourselves the Don't Kill Your Friends Kids t-shirt. Also in puff print. Very thin puff print, but to be expected. Overall, very clean. Let's see how centered it is. Looks pretty centered to me. Not too shabby. Can't wait to try this on. But yeah, here it is in all of her glory. Very awesome. Very awesome. But yeah, let's check out that Mickey again real quick, and then, yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. The Don't Kill Your Friends Kids t-shirt. Pre-order version. Thanks for watching. BVF Collection, out of here.